Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a step-by-step tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can stop notifications from popping up on your screen in Google Chrome. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. So from time to time, you may see these annoying notifications pop up here in the bottom right corner of your screen. So guys, if you'd like to turn these off, simply follow our instructions. What you want to do is launch the Google Chrome web browser and click on these three dots in the top right corner to access your account settings. To do that, scroll down and select settings from that menu here. Now inside your account settings or browser settings, what you want to do guys is take a look at the panel here to the left and head over to the privacy and security settings. And once you're there, select site settings, and inside your site settings guys, make sure that you click on notifications here. And on the following page, you will be given the opportunity to either turn off or turn on these notifications entirely. To turn them off, simply select don't allow sites to send notifications here, or leave it at sites can ask to send notifications and simply select the custom setting below, like collapse all requests in the address bar or collapse unwanted requests, which is recommended. So that's totally up to you guys, and you may choose your preferred option. However guys, you have also the opportunity to set custom behaviors or custom rules for specific websites down below. For instance, if you'd like to give specific websites exceptional permissions to send you these notifications, to do that, simply click on add here and enter the website's URL here to add it to an exceptional rule. And that's basically it. You may also turn off that rule by clicking on these three dots here to the right and select edit or remove or allow if you'd like to give the website the permission to send you these notifications. And that's all to it guys. As you can see, super simple. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.